Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make earrings, and we're going to be using Kraft board, and this Kraft board is the holographic. And so we're going to make them double-sided. So the design that I'm going to be using is from Cricut Design Space. So you can just go into images and type in earrings, and then you find the shape that you want to work with. So the shape that I'm using today is this one. So if you want to search for it, it's M as in Mary 13084952. M as in Mary 13084952. That's the image that I'm using. So once you locate the image that you want to use, then it's going to pop up on your screen, and it's just going to have one pair of earrings, but you're going to go ahead and click it and say duplicate. And then on the second pair here, we're going to take and we're going to flip them horizontal. And that's to make sure that they line up perfectly. So this earring will be the front. That's going to be the back of the first earring. This is going to be the second earring, and this is going to be the back for the second earring. So that's where you get the two on the slide. Now, what I do is I've actually made a few pair of earrings using this style. So I'm going to use this as my earring holographic template. And so I'm going to save this. Now if you've not saved an earring file, then you can go save as. You can type in, what it is, and then you can create a collection. So you can see I have some collections here. I have fabric transfer collections, greeting card collections. So you would just select new collection, and I'm just going to type in earrings. And that way, whenever I have earrings, I can actually put them in that collection. So I'm going to hit save. And now this is going to be saved to my earring collection. So anytime I'm looking for, all you would need to go to is my projects. To get back to any of your saved collections, you'll just click on my projects, and then over here you have the collections that you've created. So we would just select earrings, and that's how we would get back to our earring template. All right, so back on our canvas. So now what we're going to do is, once you get both the front and the back, because these are going to be double-sided. If you don't want them double-sided, that's fine. That just means it'll be holographic on one side and just the off-white color on the back side. I prefer the holographic on both sides. And so just go ahead. At this point, you want to click on Make It. And we're going to be putting this on our mat and continue. And I like to bring mine down just a little bit from the top, because sometimes Cricut will get right on that edge and mess up your paper and stuff. Okay, so at this point, there is nothing else to do but to click on continue. And we're going to be telling Cricut that we're using the Kraft board, but we're using the holographic. So we're going to click on Browse All Material, and you're going to type in Kraft board. and you're going to select the foil craft board holographic and click done. Now I like to use the more when I'm doing these because this craft board holographic is pretty thick and it normally cuts through so that I don't have to really weed it. Like those little bits are going to be stuck to the mat, so all I have to do is pull up my earring and then I can use my scraper or another piece of craft board to kind of get up the bits to trash. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to go ahead and load my holographic craft board onto my mat. And I'm going to bring myself up on camera so you can see me walk through the remaining process. So give me 1 second here. All right, guys, so here we have our holographic craft board. You can see that it's holographic on one side, and then like I said, it has that off-white color on the opposite side. And I'm going to go ahead and lay this on my mat, and I'm going to be using my brayer, my Cricut brayer. This is just to hold your craft board down. And we're going to go ahead and load this. And the Cricut machine is ready to cut. So I'm going to go ahead and load. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the C so that it will start the process. All right. So I'm going to pause this while this cuts, and then I'll come back when it's done. Alright guys, so our cut has now finished, and so I'm going to go ahead and release my mat. And we're going to pull this up here. And now we have our earrings. And you can see how Cricut has cut everything out for us. We didn't have to do any weeding whatsoever. So what we're going to do is take and match these up. Just like that. So I'm going to take some glue here. And I'm just going to put a little glue around the edge. And be careful not to get any glue on your fingers to where when you're touching the holographic that you get the glue on it. And we're going to take and we're going to put that right on top, just like that. And we're going to make sure that we line that baby right on up, just like that. Okay, so that's one earring complete. We're going to take and do the same thing with our second earring. And it doesn't take a lot of glue, so you can just be really, you know, just kind of like, as long as you got it where you know all of your bits are going to stay down, you know, everything is going to stay together. Okay, just like that. And we're going to take the next part and we're going to put that on top, just like that. just like that. Okay, so now you have your second earring. And then we're going to take and we're going to put our little pieces on to each earring. So we're now going to take our little earring pieces and we're just going to pop that on there, just like that. And now you have your earring. So we're going to do the same thing with this one. Just going to take our little piece here and open that up, just like that. Take your earring, put that on, just like that. And now you have your set of matching earrings. Okay, so I've actually made two other pair here, so you can see these that I've already made. So we're going to add these to the stock here, if I can stop dropping them. There we go. Now we're going to put this pair back. So now we have 3 pair of holographic earrings, and they are absolutely gorgeous in person. So hopefully you guys can see that perfectly. And that's how you make your double-sided holographic craft board earrings. Alright, so guys, if you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel or following me on Facebook, I want to thank you guys so much for the support and love via Facebook and YouTube. And my Facebook group is Ken Doris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. You can send a Facebook group request to join us, and it is a private group, so you do have to request to join. And then if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel and you like my method of teaching, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And this is just one of the many types of crafts that I show you how to do. In addition to utilizing your Cricut Maker, there's other crafts that I also teach you how to do. But if you want just a really easy way to make a nice pair of earrings, and they're not heavy, guys, so that's one of the things I like about them, is that they're not super heavy. And I'm not even going to say super. They're not heavy at all, and they're absolutely beautiful. Okay, so these are the holographic craft board double-sided earrings, and you can make them just as quick as I did following that process. All right, so that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. And you know, my motto is each one reach one, so that each one can teach one. And you guys have a great day. Bye.